had a peep into the Studio 101, where the lovely senior citizens were on their feet, dancing and exercising to their happiness. It is a lot of fun and a very good workout. You might want to check with the instructors to see which classes have more mature attendees so you don't get stuck in a class. Regardless, Zumba is something that can be done by most people of all ages and fitness levels.
Hello friends and welcome to Fashionista, and as I had promised you that I'm going to show you lots and lots more about fitness. So this time it is Zumba Gold and this is for the adults, and I have Zumba instructor plus a physiotherapist, Giselle D'Souza, who's going to tell us more about Gold Zumba for the elderly people, isn't it, Giselle?
Yes. Hello, yeah. Zumba Gold is basically a fitness program that is for the elderly or those who are cannot do the normal Zumba. It is a low intensity, and we take care and precaution that we do not have any injuries.
But Zumba Gold, Zumba exercise is for everyone. It allows the active older adult and the deconditioned exerciser to experience the same party atmosphere as regular Zumba while getting a great workout. Zumba Gold may use a greater variety of Zumba music to relate to the special population of the class. For example, for active older adults, Zumba instructors may use big band music and Broadway tunes in addition to contemporary hip-hop and Latin music. Zumba Gold may be just the right pace for those with injuries, especially those with knee problems or those who are new to cardio exercise. Dances that are specifically highlighted in Zumba Gold include the merengue, salsa, cha-cha, cumbia, salsa, rock and roll, belly dance, flamenco and tango.
We have a lot of people from various walks of life. People with osteoporosis, people with spinal problems. We have people who are overweight, we have people who are obese, and even certain people with cardiovascular problems. But they're all happy with this class, and they look forward for fitness in their life. So this is the reason why they've joined in here.
age, changes take place in our bodies. We slow down a bit. We may have a few more aches and pains. Sometimes we have changes with our blood pressure, body fat percentage, blood sugar, and of course, muscle mass, bone density, and strength. It is all part of growing older. The Zumba Gold program takes these issues into consideration and strives to improve our balance, strength, flexibility, and most importantly, the heart. The instructor should always be aware of students' physical changes and make sure they participate at a level that is comfortable for them.
So you use the same tempo of the music. So how do you manage to, use those other steps for these people?
I modify the steps because for the elderly or for those who cannot do a high intensity workout, I modify the steps and bring down the tempo for these clients.
Okay.
So people who cannot jump, we modify the step to a standing knee up or a standing side knee up. So that kind of.
And does that give any effect then? Because you have specific kind of, those steps for a Zumba. So
Yes.
when you modify them, I mean, do you get the same output?
We introduce a lot of arm activities. So the heart rate goes up. So basically for a cardiovascular workout, your heart rate should go up. So even though these people cannot jump or they cannot do a high intensity workout, we introduce the arms
exercise.
so that their heart rate goes up and they feel the workout.
Okay. What more are the advantages of this Gold Zumba?
Zumba basically increases your fitness, it increases your flexibility, it improves your heart rate. So overall it is beneficial to the elderly and beneficial for those who do not exercise.
Let me tell you something about the Zumba Gold. It is an additional program offered by Zumba Fitness that is geared towards active older and adults. It is less intense and moves at a slower pace than the regular Zumba. Zumba Gold may even be done in chairs. In Zumba Gold, the instructor may take time to teach the steps. The steps may be broken down so that instead of doing the arms and legs together, for example, only the arm movements are done, then the leg movements, and then maybe both together. A Zumba Gold class will be a little different than a Zumba basic class. First, the class is usually a little shorter depending on the type of participants. Generally, a class will last between 30 to 45 minutes. A longer warm-up and cool-down period is suggested.
Some kind of movement that they do and some kind of exercises that I incorporate. So I use my physiotherapy background and my Zumba experience, and I conjoined it, and here we have the Zumba Gold class.
Okay. And what's the response from the elderly people to you?
Well, they are very, very proactive, enthusiastic. They have fun in the class. They feel lively. They feel young. I even have a 71-year-old with me, and she is absolutely great. I have people with weight issues, and they find results. So they're really happy with the class.
And what about the outfit, the attire that you wear? I mean, they are not using, otherwise the instructors say you have to wear certain kind of shoes or the loose fitting.
No, as for shoes, they need to wear workout shoes which are flexible. So I recommend them to wear flexible shoes with good arch support and good cushioning. And the clothes need not be tight, they can be loose as long as they can move.
As long as they are comfortable with it.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.